students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we are given that the number of children in 6 different classes are given below in the table. Here we are given the class and here we are given the number of students. Class are from 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. And the number of students for 5th is 135, for 6th is 120, for 7th is 195, for 8th is 100, for 9th is 90 and for 10th is 80. So in the first part, we have to represent the data in the bar graph. So the first question is, how will you choose the skill? So here we are number of students from 80 to 135 in each class. So here we are going to draw the graph from 0 to 140 with a gap of 10. So here we are going to draw the graph. X-axis is representing the class and Y-axis is representing the children or students in every class. So we are going to take the scale from 0 to 40, 140. So this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130. And let's say this is 140. So this from here is class 5th, this from here is class 6th, this from here is class 7th, this from here is class 8th, this is class 9th and this is class 10th. Now according to the given table, we are going to draw the graph. First is that in the class 5th there are 135 students. So let's say 135 must be there in between. So our bar graph for this is, for class 5th, this is 135. Now for the class 6 we have 120 students. So this is 120. So for the class 6 here we are having 120 students. Now we are discussing for the class 7. For class 7 we have 95 students. 95 are in middle of 90 and 100. So for class 7 we have 95 students. So this is for 95. Now for class 8 we have 100 students. So this is 100. So for class 8th we have 100 students. Class 8th have 100 students. Now class 9th have 90 students. So this is 90 here. So 9th have 90 and the class 10th has 80 students. So this is 80 here. So this is our required bar graph. This is our required bar graph. Now in the part B, we have to answer the question. One is that which class has the maximum number of student and the minimum number of student. So from here, from the bar graph, it is clear that there are students from 80 to 135 and the maximum students are 135, which is in class 5th. So we can say that 5th class has maximum student which are 135 and minimum students are 80, which is in class 10th. So minimum students are there in 10th class, which is 80. So this is the answer to the part 1. Now the part 2 is that find the ratio of students of class 6 to the student of class 8. 6 has 120 and 8 has 100. So we have to find out the ratio of students of class 6 to the class 8. So ratio of the student of class 6th to the class 8th. Class 6th has 120 student, 8th has 100 student. We have to find out this ratio. So this from here is equals to 120 divided by the 100. This 0 to this 0 cancel. We are left with 12 divided by the 10. That from here is equals to this is 12 divided by 10. We can also write this as 6 and 5. So the ratio of students of class 6 to 8 is 6 is to 5. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of data handling. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.